corneal reflex occurs when the light touches the cornea or a sudden wisp of cotton touches the cornea. Eyes blink in response to it. Not just the one eye but the other eye as well blinks. There are two muscles involved, orbicularis oculi responsible for the closure of the eyelids and levator palpebrae superioris responsible for the opening of the eyelids. Now let us begin with the flow chart to study the concept easily. What happens is, in both the eyes, suppose if the left eye is affected by the light or a wisp of cotton wool, then through the touch receptors, the impulses will travel through the long ciliary nerve, which is a branch of ophthalmic nerve and which is again in turn a branch of trigeminal nerve. This will go to the spinal nucleus of the trigeminal nerve, which is present in pons. Now from the spinal nucleus of the trigeminal nerve, which is present in pons, the impulses, the projections will go to the motor nucleus of the facial nerve. From the motor nucleus of the facial nerve, the impulses will go to the orbicularis oculi muscle. From the spinal nucleus of the trigeminal nerve, the projection goes to the motor nucleus of the facial nerve of the opposite side as well, that is the right side. Orbicularis oculi is now responsible for closure of the eyelids and it goes to the buccal and mandibular branch of facial nerve. This happens in both the eyes. Now both eyes will close now. From the projection of the fibers from the spinal nucleus of the trigeminal nerve not goes to the opposite side as well but to the oculomotor nucleus present in the midbrain. That is why oculomotor nucleus of the right side and the left side will both have those projections and now will cause the levator palpebrae superioris to contract, which will cause opening of the eyes. So the eyelids closes and then reopens.